Okay, hello and good afternoon everybody. This is Chris and we're doing a repair today on a 2008 F350. The light came on the dash for the draining of the water separator, and usually it's a pretty simple process. However, whenever I got down here and I started to move the valve, you can see right here that the valve actually snapped off and it was in the open position. Luckily I had a pair of channel lock pliers with me and was able to take this and just gently turn it to be able to close it to prevent it from leaking any further. But I did need to order the Dorman valve set. It is easy to order. I got it from O'Reilly's. You can call them up. They'll even order it without you having to pay for it. So whenever it comes in, you just come in and pay for it. But it's 904-496. It's the Dorman fuel drain valve. It comes with a little baggie with two seals, as well as a replacement T25 screw head, as well as the adapter to replace this section right here. To install that, you just simply keep it open like so. It slides right in, and then you can lock it like that. I've seen a couple videos online of people swapping it out. I'm going to try and do this as fast as I can because the water and the fuel, of course, is going to be draining. So we're going to go ahead and do this as quick as possible. But basically, all we're going to do is basically take out these three T25 screw heads, take this assembly off, take the two washers out, put the two new O-rings in, install it, and then put the T25s back in, screw it down, and then we're good to go. So I got my gloves right here, and we'll go ahead and crack these open, swap this out real quick so we can go ahead and clear this code on the water separator. It's important to do this, and also if you get under your diesel truck and you notice that this has got a little bit of some corrosion to it, I'm not sure exactly why Ford would take such a critical component and make it out of plastic. Even the replacement one is made out of plastic, but unfortunately I don't know how I can get one for stainless steel or something that's gonna work a little bit better over time and not have to crack on me or break. But we're gonna go ahead and just undo this. I'm gonna go ahead and have everything ready, have plenty of rags, have a T25 handheld screwdriver, and then a small T25 ratcheting. I even brought my drill with a stubby socket adapter for a T25. However, I don't want to cause any issues as far as pulling it off, so I'm not going to use that to screw it back in. However, I think what I'm going to go ahead and do, just to conserve on the amount that is going to be coming out, I think what I'm going to go ahead and give a shot, because I've seen other people do it and they're just using the manual portion of it, and it's got quite a bit of fuel coming out. But I think I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use this stubby socket adapter, hook it up to my drill, hold this on here as tight as I can, take these out like so we're not leaking, like that. So now we've got that out, and we haven't drained any fluid yet. We'll go ahead and pull this out and have it ready. Pull that out, like so. And then basically what we're going to do is pull this off and pop these ones out. So we'll go ahead and pop this out like so. Pop my O-rings out of here. Oh man, they're dry rotted and corroded. Definitely needed that done. Kind of hook that, pull that out. We're going to put our new rings in like so. Take a rag, kind of wipe that area so it's nice and clean. Take your new O-ring, pop that into place and set it right there. Take your other new one, just like so. Good, like that. Take, once again, wipe off the area, and I'm going to take the new one, simply set it in place like so. hold it tight. And we'll go to right here, take and place that one in. That one in. And that one in. Okay, get those started. Nice and quick. Not too bad so far. Take this, crack it just so we can compress that a little bit more. All right, then now that we've got that, we'll go ahead and take and tighten it up the rest of the way with the handheld. And I do admit, I watched a couple of other people doing it online. This was probably the quickest way to do it without having all that fluid drain out. Of course, we still need to drain the water out of it, but I'd much have it a controlled drain rather than uncontrolled and getting all over everywhere. Of course, make sure you got a good drain pan, something to drain into so it's not contaminating the ground. We'll tighten those up nice and neat. Boom, boom, boom. We have the new seals in. We have the new drain in. And ladies and gents, it looks like we are good to go for that. Here's the old one. As you can see, old and cracked, worn out, just falling apart. You can see the old O-rings as well. They were all swollen and dry rotted. Is definitely due for a swap out. So that's that. Simply go over here, wipe this all down. We're nice and tight again. There's no leaks. And we can correctly crack open and drain that water out. Anyways, I hope this helps with you guys. Appreciate y'all's time. Have a great day.